What's up, guys? Uncle Polly here. Welcome back to another episode, and today we're going over bait. That's right, we're going to be covering bait. I'm going to be catching some skipjack, vacuum sealing the skipjack, and we're also going to go over how I prepare my chicken and jello recipe. Super simple stuff. Y'all stay tuned. This will be a nice little short video. Hopefully it'll be informational for y'all, and hopefully it'll help y'all on your bait excursions and getting set up and getting out there and getting on some biggins. That's what's important. Y'all stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. One more thing, shout out to Jackson Gettings for helping me out with my skipjack technique today with the sabiki rigs. Appreciate that, bro. Good looking at it. Got one in the bucket, y'all. Got two on, double hook. We're getting on them. Some catfish candy right here, fellas. There's three. Liking the right white grubs, we're gonna keep throwing the white grubs then. Don't see why not, do y'all? Do what? Yeah. Still don't know what he said. Whatever. We're catching fish, guys. That's all that matters. Catching fish. The what?
How many of those you done caught?
I think 5 or 6 right now.
Get ready to do some catfishing tonight?
No, tomorrow actually.
Down here?
Yeah, I'll be putting in Gordon at the Gordon boat launch.
Y'all have a catfish tournament?
They are today.
Today?
Yeah. But my boat ain't got a live well, and all I do is just make YouTube channels, so
I hear you.
I just out here trying to catch some bait to throw. Uncle Polly fishes.
Who?
Uncle Polly fishes.
Polly fish.
Yeah, last week I caught a 62-pound blue cat down the river.
I remember that when I get home, I'm gonna look you up.
All right.
I'm a YouTube fucking fanatic, dude.
I am too. Ain't nothing to do but sit there and watch YouTube. Back on the sabiki rig with a weight, using a quarter ounce sinker. Kind of a mid to fast retrieve and a little bit of a bob every now and then. Sun's out, there we go. Got 2 on this one, 3. Got a triple. Alright guys, so went skipjack fishing today. Caught enough to do a little tutorial on how I vacuum seal them and freeze them. Got my little tiny vacuum sealer I got off of Amazon, really cheap. I'm actually going to set it right here. Ziploc vacuum seal bags and a pair of scissors. That's about all you need really. So what I like to do is just see about how long the fish are. About yay long. And I'll go ahead and cut the bag to the length of the fish, and I'll put 3 or 4 in here. A lot of times I like putting 3. Just cut your bag, stick one in your vacuum sealer, move everything out of your way first. So everything in the vacuum sealer, just hit seal. It's going to burn it across. It's a heat strip in there. I always just let it set for a minute. Just like that, you've got a first seal to start your bag. Went too well. It's okay. We're going to try it anyway. We got the first bag, and first things first, you got to get these fish dry. If they're wet, it just won't seal right. You're going to suck water up. Water's going to come up through the bag and everything and get into your seal, where your seal line is, and it won't seal. There's probably some better ones out there, some more expensive vacuum sealers people are going to start recommending I use, but for now, this is what I have because I don't have a whole lot of money. This is what we use. So there's one. I just like to pat them dry real good, you know. Get as much moisture out of them as you can. Skipjack number 2. I probably cut this bag a little too long, but that's okay. That's okay. They'll still freeze in it. It's not a big deal, you know. You'll be all right. You'll live. And I think I'm going to put 4 in this bag. Since they're a little bit smaller. I got 2 smaller ones in there. So we're just going to go with 4 in this bag. The other bags, I think I'm just going to do 3. Because I like taking I'll take a variety of baits with me. I'll take some live bait. I'll take some chicken. I'll take all kinds of things. So I don't usually primarily just fish with just skipjack. Which is okay. Not a big deal. Boom. 4 fish in the first bag. Turn it around. You stick your bag in there. Make sure it's where you need it. Close the lid. Vac seal. And watch this puppy go. See all the water running out? It's probably a good thing I made it as long as I did so the water doesn't come up there, so my seal will work. And I'm pretty sure that one worked. There we go. First pack of vacuum sealed skipjacks ready to go. All right, guys, this is the second part for the chicken and jello for the catfishing adventures. We got the store-bought just chicken titties, and we got strawberry jello. Strawberry jello seems to work best. Don't buy the sugar-free, and you'll need some freezer gallon bags. I got 3 right here. I'll go ahead and make up 3 bags real quick, and I use this because they leak sometimes, and I'll set them in there, put them in the fridge, let them sit overnight, and you'll have chicken and jello to use to catch catfish with. I'll let them sit one day, and then I'll throw them in the deep freezer and freeze them, and then just thaw them out when I get ready to go. And this is all you got to do. Get you a bag, divvy them up. 1, 2, 3. Put 4 in this one. Get another bag. See if they'll equal out to 4 per bag. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grab the other bag. I'm gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4. And I got some extras, so I'm gonna put 1 in this bag, 1 in that bag, and this little little cutlet in this bag. So we got all of our bags ready to go. Then you just take the jello, pull it out, and then just dump it straight in. Seal them up. You don't have to worry really about getting all the air out right now because you're going to let them marinate overnight. Shake it up real good. Make sure everything's coated. Boom. That one's ready. I'll set it in a bucket, and we're just going to repeat the process for all 3. And then you just throw them in the fridge, let them bake or set overnight, get nice and coated on the skins on the outside. The jello won't come off, and you're ready to go. And that's basically it, you guys. Pretty simple.